basically what you will see is a swarm of drones which is flying around and capturing images of different objects. My part of work was to form coalitions of robots which then agree on who is executing which task.
Once the tasks are assigned, the swarming model that I developed during my PhD takes over. It allows the drones to move safely towards their goals. As soon as they reach them, they form a circle in a self-organizing way and start rotating to take pictures from different viewpoints.
During the mission, drones are streaming the images of the cameras to the base station. Using my research, they are autonomously deciding which images are worth streaming to avoid overloading the network. In this demonstrator, they prioritize sending images of an object that is being reconstructed.
Finally, we're gathering the images from the drones to create a 3D model. During my PhD, I was focusing on collaborative state estimation to allow for robust navigation in case of sensor failures.